Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified. Today guys, I brought my buddy we wanna play a game today. We wanna play a game today. Never have I ever. So stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, subscribe guys, so we can grow. Kanta.
Mr. Sithole.
Are you ready? I'm good, bro.
Let's have fun.
Are you ready now?
I'm always ready to have fun.
Okay, first one. Have I ever made a sex tape? Then you have to show to the camera if you have or you have not.
I have not made a sex tape in my life. I don't want to make other kids famous. I don't be recording people without asking their permission.
Same to me, guys. I don't see the reason for making a sex tape. Cause now you make a sex tape now, then these things gets to the wrong people. Then what?
Yeah, but some people just want to relive the moment again and again. So I don't know.
No,
as
but
for myself,
yeah, but
I also have that feel.
But like this is crazy because now she's your partner, right?
Yeah.
You still gonna have it unless if maybe you wanna do that what you call the sex tape for one night stand. I don't know, man.
Yeah, some people do that. Some people hide cameras in their rooms and shoot other people without them being aware that they're being shot.
Crazy, man.
So
that's crazy.
I've once asked and they turned me down. And then when I thought about
wait, goddamn, but you just
I've once asked. There was this girl that I was dating back in high school, and I don't know, back in the days, the Kim Kardashian sex tape was big. So there was a lot of peer pressure amongst teens.
That if you can do this,
like if you were to have that, if you were to have your friend and show him something like that, you'll be a G, like you'll be certified, or like you are the guy, you are the top. So like I wanted to have one, but I couldn't because I asked the girl and she turned me down. But later on now, I think she did me a solid because, as you said, those things can fall into wrong hands. Without even her breaking up with you and her uploading it on the side. Some people might take her phone and make her enemies, or somebody might she might lose her phone and then somebody might pick it up. And
but
there's a lot of
weird,
things.
man. When it comes to sex tape and stuff, I don't support those. I don't.
Yeah,
but anyway, if you are for it, well, go ahead. For me, I have not. He said he have not. Moving along. Never ever smashed someone older than you.
Oh, I have.
Whatever, my time. How do you approach somebody older than you?
Nah. The thing was, that girl, I met her in Pretoria when I was still studying before dropping out. So that chick, I didn't know that she was older than me when I was approaching her. But her physique, she had like a bold body. She was big, a bit big. So, but I was just attracted to those kind of people. So I thought she was my type, not reading into it that she might be. She might be older than me. So I once did, and it was good. I think she.
Wait. Before I did I raise? I have not. Oh, did I?
No, I'm the one who answered. I'm the only one who answered. You didn't answer.
The other one.
That for this one, have I ever smashed?
No. But like before, did I raise? I have or I have not.
I think you have raised. The previous question you raised. I have not.
Okay. Sorry to catch up, and you're busy. Okay. For me, it's I as well.
Everybody has.
Yeah, because like man, as a guy, as much as he's saying, some chicks, man, and weird stuff happens because for me to smash somebody's older than me, she came to me, she approached me.
Wow.
And she was like, and she had that tiny body and everything. Then later I was like, what?
Yeah, it seems like everyone doesn't know what they're doing. They find out later.
Anyway, never ever been cheated on. Not you cheating.
Oh yeah, I've been cheated on. I've been cheated on.
What happened? What was the reason for that?
The reason behind me getting cheated on was that maybe I wasn't cooler, because this girl that I was dating, she cheated on me with my best friend.
Oh shit!
That was cold.
Damn,
that was cold.
Yeah.
So this chick, man, we dated for a couple of weeks or months. Then I used to come with her to my friends when we had like hangouts.
And everything.
Yeah. Then later on, only to find out that my friend is hitting on her. But I could see with the body language and how like my friend is always engaged.
She's so excited around him.
So this other day, after those chillasers and everything, where we used to hang together as a group, me and my girlfriend and my friend, I found them just hanging on their own. Just my
you were like, yo, what are you doing here?
Yeah, my ex girlfriend and
your body.
Yeah, and the funny thing, me and my buddy, we didn't fight over it. I just saw them and just kind of understood that my time was up. Then I gave them the chance to roll with it, because it seemed like she was happy with him more than me. She was happy with me because the relationship kind of went viral. They posted, they were just in a happy phase throughout.
Damn, bro.
But later on, it just didn't work out for them.
Yeah, man. For me, did I raise
No, you didn't. I'm still waiting for your answer.
Have I ever been cheated on? Okay, yes.
Yeah, that's for everyone. Even this one is for
Yeah, I have. So what happened is this. The time I was in high school, right?
Yeah.
I was like a mini player there, right?
Yeah.
I had like a bunch of girls.
Yes, girls.
So the chick that I was dating, she decided to get someone else.
Yes.
Then when I was serious about this chick and everything, only to find out that even the cell phone that she's using, somebody bought it for her.
Woo.
So So yeah, man.
That's cool.
No, I think the guy sent a message, whatever. I went through his messages. Hey guys, don't go through
people's messages. Yeah,
especially if you're a boyfriend and a girlfriend level.
Meant to be one person's phone.
Guys. Yeah, man. So that's why they say you fuck around and you'll find out. So I did find out. So
you found out exactly what you wanted.
Yeah, what I wanted to see.
To confirm.
Yeah. So yeah, man. I did. Number something. It says I
think we're on the third question. Yeah.
Never have I ever sleep with somebody while she's on periods.
But for me, guys, okay. I have. I know this is a taboo and everyone will say like, nah, man, that shit is too messy and stuff. But there was this magazine.
Okay.
There was this magazine that I used to like. There's this guy who stayed in my house. So that guy, like, he normally bought magazines which were being issued every week or every month. So he had like he had like a bunch of magazines. So I think I remember it was what was it? The name of the magazine was Move. The Move edition.
Yeah.
So there was a section there with the section was called Ask Dr. Eve. She was like some sex advisor and stuff. And she was a doctor.
Yeah.
So if you had like any question or problem with sexual questions, you could just write her and then she'll answer you through the magazine. So some people once asked a lot of time, they were like, is it okay to have sex with somebody who's on period? And her answer, her best medical answer was that. Yeah, and I repeated, her best medical answer was that it's possible you can have intercourse with someone who's in her period.
So, but like, did you know that your honey she's on?
Yeah, I knew because she told me. It's like when we started doing foreplays and kissing and stuff. She stopped me. She's like, "Nah, man, we can't do this because the situation
the
robot is red on my side." I was like, "Nah, I'm on. I can do this." She's like, "Nah, man." The robot says we should stop. I'm like, okay, what is the problem?
Let me take my chances. Yeah.
And then she told me like, I'm on my period. Then I was like, nah, that's not even a big deal.
Yeah.
I once read and I did read about it. I once read about this in a magazine from a professional, a doctor. She said if we can wear rubbers and plastics, that thing is
good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go. Those things are just blood. It doesn't affect. But African and African traditions and norms. I don't know, maybe because a lot of African men don't prefer wearing rubbers and plastics. So they say it's a taboo, man. Like you might get sick and stuff. But I tried it with a plastic and more than once. Yeah. And I'm still okay.
So for me,
let's hear
for me, okay, I have. Guys. You know what happened, guys? Still back at high school and stuff.
There
was this hand, So there was this hand, right? I didn't trust her by anything.
Yeah.
Like I was like, yo, she's always mising me and everything. She don't wanna give it to. You know. So why is
she's taking time, she's procrastinating.
Every now and then she's just gonna postpone. Then she was like, yo, there's a Red Sea there. I was like, yo, I'm going in.
Were you wearing plastics?
No. Worst part, I went raw, bruh.
Damn.
Went straight.
Damn.
So man, I did. Hey, guys.
I'm scared of blood.
If it's red, guys, don't cross.
I'm scared of blood, but with gloves I can touch.
No. If it's red, it's red, guys. Okay. Never ever had never ever had a STI.
Whoa, yeah. Okay, my first, I have not. Now I have not had any sexual transmitted disease. None whatsoever. Because, I don't know, man. When I started doing this intercourse thing when I was a teenager, I was concerned about my health a lot. Because I had an uncle of mine who passed away because of HIV and AIDS, and he was like there by my house telling me everything. I saw how he looked, so I was very much careful when it comes I would even like when going out to turn up, or even pack like a few plastics on my pocket.
Even if you don't have anyone.
Yeah, even if I've not like got anyone yet, but just
you're like, yo, just in case.
Safety first, guys. Safety first.
Okay, so for me, guys, I have, guys. So you know what happened? Hey, me, bro. Like I was like real something else.
You were a monster back in the days.
So listen, crazy. There was this hand, right? This honey, she was like a church-going person. Church-going person. Trusted this chick and everything. I think she visited her brother somewhere. In Alexander. Then she came back. Yo, bruh. I went there, bro.
Ooh, people.
Drop me. Drop me.
Oh, the drop.
I've had bruh, I started feeling so itchy on like inside my 4-5. It was itchy, bruh, inside it. Like on the pipe.
I've once had someone who once had dropped.
Bro, that thing is not funny. Then I went to the clinic. They gave me an injection that I couldn't even walk, bro.
They say
no, bro. That injection is something else. They gave me the injection. They gave me a bunch of pills. They said you must finish these pills.
Then you'll be fine.
Like those pills have like some different colors, blue, white, whatever. They say you must finish these pills. So guys, please. Play safe here.
Safety first. Precaution.
This STI thinking is a thing. So that's why now I'm
prevention is better than cure.
Exactly.
Like you might wanna go to the clinic and they'll fix you up. But sometimes you'll find it that it's on a later stage, or
you see?
Or some other disease like HIV and AIDS. You have to live on treatment for the rest of your life. So
guys,
be careful, guys.
Be safe, guys.
Next one.
Never ever remove a condom while smashing.
Never have I ever removed a condom while smashing. I have. This hand was way too hard. Yeah, this was something else. Yes,
What happened, Poison?
I was deep in her, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I don't know, man. I just opened my eyes during the course of making love. I just opened my eyes. And something just whispered in me, is like,
remove this
thing. And like, I had that perspective of, like, people used to lie a lot and say, when you're having a draw, that's when you're having the real thing. When you can't eat a candy with the red on. You're not feeling the whole taste. So I just wanted to taste that hand because she was fire. She was fire.
Hey, this one is dating. This one.
Yeah, she was fire. Yeah, guilty as charged for that one. I always said, let's play it safe, but on that one, I couldn't. And trust me, I was very much sober. I was not under the influence of anything. It just came to my mind, like, no, I'm taking this thing out. I want to taste the whole candy without the rep.
Oh, yeah.
And yourself.
I have. Hey, that's the last time I have on my side. Yeah, I have, guys.
But this one is not a surprise. He's been doing it raw ever since. That's what I'm saying. From the beginning of the video, he's mentioned raw.
Listen, guys. You know what happened, right? Chunky is fine. I was having fun, man. I was like, yo. I think I bought I don't know, man. I bought some I don't know if it was a trust or what.
Condoms.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm busy smashing this hand, bro. Going in. But yo, it doesn't feel right. It feels like it's too tight.
Yeah, you wanna do what you used to. The raw thing.
No.
Just wanted to do what you used to.
Then I was like, no, man, Poison. Hey, I'm not enjoying. It's like now, like
you're fighting.
Hey, oh, this is something else.
Yeah.
Remove the thing, chief. Even that I removed the thing in.
You were sliding.
The dolly said, yo, there's some changes here now.
Oh, the hand could feel like, no. So they were right.
Then she was like, yo, there's some changes here.
Yeah.
Did the thing pass or what? Because it was too quick.
Yeah.
Throw it somewhere there while she was still in the mood.
What?
Then she was like, yo, there's some changes in here.
Yeah.
Did anything pass? I was like, no. I lied.
Okay. Yeah. We're still okay.
I was like, no, don't worry. Just that I'm changing gears now.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I'm on another performance.
Then like, guys, let's not fool ourselves. The dollies knows whenever the condom is off, they know, guys.
Yeah, so those guys who told me that it feels different.
Yeah,
when you don't have a plastic or a rubber on. That means they were right.
Nah, even the dolly can hear that now. This is
natural.
Different. So guys, don't do what I did.
Yeah, don't
just learn from it.
You'll get STIs.
Okay, the next question. Never have I ever fantasized to be with a celeb, and if yes, who?
Okay, let me think this one through, because now fantasizing I know
to have her as a honey,
because there are these things, man, called wet dreams. So in a wet dream, I don't know, maybe you get to like
create your own person.
But I've once fantasized smashing a celeb that was Beyonce. I mean, Queen Bee. Queen Bee's heart. So like, but in a wet dream. I was not fantasizing. I was sitting. And no, I was just asleep. Then I just had a dream about Queen Bee, and when I woke up, I was wet.
You smashed the hair on the dream,
I smashed her. One for the team. They know that.
For me,
let's see about the celeb.
I have not.
What?
Because now I always have this fear for celeb, because now there's like some standard that you have to be at. Yeah,
a lot of celebrities date celebrities.
So I think that's the only thing that kept me away from fantasizing to be with like a celeb. Yes, I can not crush, but fantasizing to have one for my own.
A lot of people crush. Then others take it beyond and fantasize. Some people like jerk off on celebrities. It's like this. Guys, I don't know, but a lot of people go to stores buy collages or artworks with celebrity people's faces on them. I don't know, and they do things to those pictures. It's also fantasizing because that person is on the wall. And
now you are reminding me. There was these things on Agenda Network. There's a guy who even said, you see the picture of your Beyonce's, your Rihanna and everything, those like half naked
pictures,
type vid. Bruh, he said people can kill each other just for that picture, to have it.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
They say when they're in jail, they put it on top of, because I think the beds in jail is like doubles and everything. He put it there. He said, that's my wife.
Every time when they pass out,
when Jacob just checking that pictures.
A lot of people do that. A lot of people do that because like those celebrities most of the time, they like wearing revealing clothes. So it makes it for the guys to just go to their zone very quick.
That's crazy. Okay. Never ever deleted a picture or a video for not getting too much views or likes.
But I have not, guys. Because
for real?
Yeah, for real. Because I was not into social media that much growing up. I had gadgets, but I was not into social media that much. So every time I uploaded something, it was for my personal feeling. I uploaded it to save those things there, not for anyone to view or not for anyone to comment. Just for my personal safety, that later on when I want to relive that moment, I can just go and check it. So I've never deleted anything. I have trust issues, self-esteem issues, guys. These people, they post stuff and then later on they find glitches or something wrong with the picture.
Listen, guys, if you can go to my videos, right, and go at the beginning of me starting the channel and everything. I used to post. I once posted like some stupid video where I had these kids, right. I have some Swiss, then we're playing some games. If you're getting it right, you're gonna win a Swiss. Bruh, it's only got like 12 views, bruh.
I understand.
I posted another one. 10 views. From 12 to 10. People were not interested, they only get them. I was like, fuck it, I'm removing this thing.
You are decreasing.
Then I was like, so yes, I have removed. And then never ever done a threesome.
Threesome?
Yeah.
Bold move.
No way!
And both ways, guys. Both ways. I've once had a threesome with it was me and a guy, so it was two guys and one girl. But I started. I went in first. And then the second one, it was me with two girls. So what happened was
this nigga is wild.
I think I'm not that good with hands. I think what happened was those girls, we were turning up. And then we were from a club somewhere. Then we were all friends. But one of our friends brought an extra person which was new to the group. And then I approached that girl throughout the night and we vibed together and she was cool with it. So when the night ended and it was time to request and go back home, her friend decided to follow us. She was like, nah man, I'm going with my friend. If my friend goes with this guy, I'm going with them. And so we got to the house.
Damn.
We got it down. It was fun though.
Damn, bro.
It was fun.
For me, I wish.
I thought this guy was a really player.
No,
this thing of threesomes.
No, not to that extent. But like, I wish back in the day I had like 2 girls or 3 girls. I wish.
Nah, man. It's okay.
But
win some, you lose some.
Yeah.
Let us have some.
Never have I ever been scammed.
Never have I ever been scammed. I have been scammed, guys. I have. I have been scammed. I lost my phone in Joburg.
Joburg is something else. Bro.
Yeah, and that person who scammed me didn't hold a gun to my face or a knife to my face. He just spoke to me, and then I don't know. I just understood. This guy showed me a phone. It was a dope phone. Yeah, the one that I liked, and then he was like, "I can sell you this phone for the cheapest price that you can afford." I was like, I only have like 600 on me. He's like, it's fine. That phone was worth like 3K or 3 point something. And then whilst negotiating with that guy, I told him like, okay, I've heard of scams in Joburg and stuff, so let's move to this location, the location that he approached me at. I was like, let's move to a different street where I'll be comfortable to give you cash and stuff, because I felt like maybe that whole thing was pre-planned. Why did he approach me and stuff?
And it was.
And it was. That guy was like, no biggie, dog. Let's move. Let's go wherever you're comfortable at. Then we went. Then before I could give him the cash, I took one look at the phone again, rechecked everything, used the phone. Then I was like, yeah, I'm satisfied. I can pay for this phone. I want this phone. Then I took out cash. I gave him the 600. And then he had a SIM card on the phone to show that the network is working and everything. Then he had to remove his SIM card and give me my
cell phone.
Yeah, my cell phone SIM card so that I can put my SIM card in. Then when that guy gave me the phone, he kind of told me like, hide it. This phone is kind of like, maybe it might be stolen. Don't show it off. Like, you'll show it off at your place. Here, it's not safe because I just sold it to you now. I was like, okay, this phone is dope, even though I got it for a low price. I'm just going to do as the guy says. Then I took the phone, put it in the bag, went to the cab. When I got to the cab, before the taxi could move to the location where I wanted to go, something in my mind just told me like, check the phone. Now you're in a safe place because you're inside a taxi. No one is gonna come in and fight with you. Then I removed my bag and then opened it and looked at the phone. Tried to light the phone. The phone wouldn't go on. And the phone was heavier than it was when the guy was showing me and when I was looking at it. Only to find out that it's just a pouch, guys. It's just a pouch and a lot of coins wrapped by plastic tape. And then
no way, bro.
The screen protector being placed by glue. There was like nothing, no hardware inside whatsoever. No hardware, no software. Just a lot of coins to make the phone have like the same weight as the phone. I was
600 bucks gone.
600 bucks gone. And guys, I just jumped off the taxi, changed my clothes because I had a bag. I changed my clothes, went to a toilet and changed my clothes, and went back to the same location where I got scammed. Then another guy approached me whilst I was there. Like, I waited for 2 hours. Then I saw a lot of people getting scammed, a lot of people getting robbed. And I was like, "Woo, nah, man, I can't do this. This might get worse. This might get worse. Let me leave Joburg now
is something else.
with whatever that I still have." Then this guy approached me with the same phone. Then I just grabbed that phone before even looking at it because it had like a similar pouch with the phone that guy gave me. Then I just grabbed the phone and ran towards a shop and then like screamed for help. Then people gathered up and asked me what's up, and I told them like, this guy is selling me a phone and this phone looks like this. I took the one that I had, the one that guy gave me, the one with coins. And then like those people believed me because I had the phone and the pouch that he had was red. So like I told them that guy tried to swap them. Then I noticed. Then I told them like, no man, I'm not doing this. Give me back my money or give me the phone. Then the guy.
It was the same guy or was it different guy?
I think it was. I'm not even sure, guys, because I was frustrated by seeing people getting robbed where I just wanted to go home. That guy just kind of like came out of nowhere. And
guys, be alert, guys.
Yeah, be alert, especially in Joburg CBD. They don't play around.
Even in PTA, CBD guys are. People are hungry.
And those people use I think like African potions and stuff. Like as soon as he talks to you, he takes your whole mind, your focus. He hypnotizes you. You're gone. Whatever he says, you might think you're in control. I changed the location, but I still got scammed.
Okay, for me, never ever been scammed, right? I have, guys.
Everybody has a story for this one.
I think what happened is this. There was this guy. We used to work together on Jordan Footwear Factory. It's a shop in Kempton Park. Yeah, by Pretoria Roads, somewhere there.
Huh?
So now this guy was working around Joe's and everything. So this guy went to the place where my previous colleague were working, saying, "Yo, we are hiring, boom, 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 and stuff." This guy he knew that I was working, but I don't like where I'm working. So I need something. He phoned me, bruh. I have to wake up from Soweto and go and get scammed in Jozi. There was a Lumia cell phone. Is it the Nokia Lumia or Samsung Lumia? But
it's a Nokia.
Yeah,
Lumia.
Bro, the brand new. My dad just bought that phone.
Wow.
When these guys, we went to you see, as much as you're saying, they hypnotize you.
Yeah, they take
you become like you understand each and everything what they're saying.
Yeah.
We went to Carlton Center.
Yeah.
You see, on the other side where there's like lift that is going up and everything. Yeah. He says, "I'm going to check some cherry there. She's working upstairs, whatever, at this restaurants.
Yeah.
She sent me a time. Don't you want a time?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, don't you want?
No, I do. He said, "Give me a phone."
Yeah.
Give this guy a phone.
I don't even know him.
I don't even know this guy. Bro.
This guy promises you data or airtime.
He even took my CV.
Yeah. For work.
For work. Remember, I went there for work and everything.
Yeah.
He just took my phone, disappeared.
You waited for him.
Bruh, I waited that side like I'm an idiot for close to 3 hours, bruh.
Thinking that he'll come back.
I was so angry, bruh.
They never do.
I went to where the guy who was working, my ex-colleague.
Yeah.
They closed that thing in.
Yeah.
When I got where I was staying in Soweto, my lady, she just said, your phone is gone. Before I even say anything, that they robbed you.
Yeah, you have been scared. You just have to accept.
Bruh,
it's hard. But
I slept from 7 or 6 until I woke up around 12 midnight.
Wow.
Oh, my heart was broken, bro. That cell phone, bro. It was still brand new, bro.
No phone.
I haven't used it for 2 weeks or so. Bro.
These guys, they.
Hey, guys, be careful, guys.
These guys, the scammers, they don't even.
Be careful, guys.
Hey,
these people,
they're out there.
They don't have mercy. These days.
They won't be merciful to you.
Never, ever.
Another one.
Yeah. This one is the last one.
Yeah.
Never, ever smoke drugs. Like hard drugs. We're not talking about weed here. Talking about cocaine, heroin, stuff.
Okay. I have, guys.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
Isn't your I have upside down?
I have. Yeah. So, what happened was, it was another scamming situation back in PTA in Pretoria when I was still studying in TUT.
Yeah.
So, I was from Res, about to take a shuttle to school on the campus where I was going to attend a class. I was with my girl, she slept over, then we were just going to school, the both of us. Then I smoked cigarettes and weed. So what happened was, this girl, we went downstairs, waited for the shuttle. Before the shuttle could come and get us, there was like a spaza shop next to our res. The tech shop. So I went to that tech shop and bought cigarettes. When I bought cigarettes, I lighted that cigarette and started smoking. Then there was this guy who just came out of nowhere. And I was like, "Yo, dog, nice watch." And
from this guy?
Yeah, from that guy.
You are saying he have like a nice watch?
No, he told me like, "Hi, say Joe, you have a nice watch." I was like, "Thanks." And I was not even like wearing that watch. Because we left in a hurry trying to catch up with the transport of the shuttle.
If you are not wearing it,
the watch was on my watch was on my pocket. So once
but it was dingling.
Yeah, it was just dingling. The guy could see it. And I totally forgot to wear that watch because as soon as I got down, the only thing was getting the transport. The transport was getting delayed. So I thought of smoking first. Then, like, I was supposed to wear that watch as soon as I got downstairs.
So the guy says nice watch.
The guy says nice watch. And then I was like, okay, thanks. And I was like, be careful, man. You're gonna lose that watch. And then I was like, no, I was about to wear it. Then I took the watch. As I was about to wear it, a second guy came.
Damn.
When that guy came, he was like, he greeted me as well. And I was about to wear that watch. It's like they told each other that, like, I don't know, they waited for the perfect moment. And then, like, as I was about to wear the clip the watch on my wrist, that guy greeted me. Then, like, my focus was on him with my hand off the watch. I was like, okay, hi. And then as soon as I turned back my face, that guy already took my watch. He just grabbed it, like, out of nowhere. When I was still answering, that guy was greeting me.
But did you feel it?
No, it was not yet clipped on. Because, like, I think those guys, they were, like, working together or something.
Yeah, but, like, you didn't feel anything?
No, I didn't feel anything. No, I noticed that the guy took the watch because my hand was still there. Yeah. But the watch was not yet clipped, pinned on. Yeah. So, I was like, dude, what the hell now? You said you want to smoke, you greeted me, now you're grabbing my watch. Yeah. Wow, what's going on? The guy was like, nah, man. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. And then this guy, the second guy who greeted me while they took my watch, he was like, yeah, Joe, get away from that guy. That guy is dangerous. Like, move away. That guy is like a deep soul team factory. They know him. Yeah.
Inside the campus?
No, we're still waiting for the shuttle outside my rest.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, what am I about to do? Then I talked to the talk shop owner because he knows me. He's next to my rest. Yeah. I normally buy my cigarettes there. I was like, dude, what the hell is going on? Like, I'm getting robbed next to at your shop.
In front of you.
And this guy was waiting here. The guy who took my the watch. Yeah. And then, like, the guy was like, he tried to speak to them, and it was like a 4-way conversation. And those guys, they ended up running.
Inside the campus?
No, we're outside. We're outside the rest.
You know, I'm busy imagining TT in social where your rest is
inside the campus.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I was living off campus. I was living in the CBD.
Oh.
So that guy, they ran away, both of them. Like, one went this direction, one went this direction. Then I decided, you know what, that was a very expensive watch. It was a KU G-Shock. And then I couldn't just let them go with that watch. Then I told my girlfriend, like, no, I'm missing school. I have to go after my watch. Because she already came.
You are chasing these guys?
Guys, yeah. I chased the one who took my watch.
Alright.
And after chasing them, I was like, nah, man, just give me like $20. I want to go buy something to smoke, like drugs. He referred them to something to smoke. He didn't say drugs.
Yeah.
But like the way he looked like a junkie. He looked like somebody who smoked. Yeah. And that's why when they told me that guy is dangerous, I was kind of like, I believed it. Yeah. So I was like, okay, it's fine. I do have money on me. I can give you money now. And then you give me my watch. Then I was like, I spent my last hard cash money. The only money I had was on the account. My girlfriend had $200 on her. And it was like a cash $200, like fast $200. Yeah. We needed to get change. We ended up getting change. We gave that guy his money, and then we went back to rest. My day was just ruined. Then the next day, when I'm about to go to school again, I went down to wait for the transport by the gate. Those guys, the very same guys who robbed me yesterday, they were there. They were just there.
Waiting
for you. Yeah, I don't know if they were waiting to rob somebody else or what. And I was like, nah, man, I'm going after those guys. Those guys, I gave them money yesterday. Even though they gave me back my watch, but I gave them money yesterday. And now I'm seeing them. So, like, it didn't sit well with me. Then I went to them, I was like, guys, you remember me? And they were like, yeah. And then, like, a huge group came. A huge group of those kind of guys. Because, remember, it was only 2 guys who robbed me yesterday. When I went to them and started talking to them, like, yo, guys, you guys took my stuff and that doesn't sit well with me. I'm going to report you. It's either you guys bring back my money. Like, we have to sort And then those guys were like, like a huge group came. Like the same gang of those guys. And I was like, there was like a bigger guy now, a bigger boss than the one that they told me that was scary yesterday. And then the guy told me that, you know what, guys, let's stop making scene here. This is my place of business. I sell my stuff here. I have a gun. I don't want police popping out of nowhere. This is like taking too much attention. I will sort what my boys did. What did they take from me? I was like, they took money. They wanted to take a watch, but I ended up giving them money and stuff. And I was like, no, don't worry. I'll sort you out. I'll settle their debt on their behalf. And that guy, I don't know, man. Like, 'cause I was hypnotized again. They took me from that location to another location where they stayed. And then I waited in that house, like a whole lot of people just doing a lot of different drugs.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, like they were injecting themselves.
Like the junkies.
Yeah, all kinds of junkies. And I don't know how I got there, because the last time I checked, I was just trying to get the money that I lost yesterday, or confronting people who took advantage of me yesterday.
Yeah.
But I ended up being in their junk house, like where they smoke, where they chill.
Yeah.
And because that guy told me of a gun, I got scared. When he said, like, let's not make a scene, let's go somewhere where we can sort this thing out. Then I followed them into their hub. And then that guy said, like, I need a phone to call someone to bring us stuff.
Yeah.
I'm kind of low on stuff. I need to stock. And then that guy, I don't know why I gave him my phone. I just gave him my phone. Then he never came back with my phone. Then those guys who I was left with, they were just encouraging me, like, you got robbed. Just chill out, you got robbed. Just accept. It's either you go home, but you got robbed. That's what you need to understand. So I got robbed twice in 2 consecutive days. Yesterday I got robbed the watch. Today I'm losing a phone. And I was just stressed. Those guys were just doing a whole lot of drugs there. I tried this thing called cat. It's like a hyper drug. When you sniff it, it's like cocaine. When you sniff it, it keeps you awake. The plan was to find that guy. We were going to hunt that guy throughout the night. So I got high, I got awake,
No way!
We hunted the guy. We didn't find him. We just found other people, and I roamed with those guys the whole night. Luckily, by the next day, when I went back to rest, I told my friends what happened, and they told me, you know what, don't go near those people again. Because now you have tasted this thing, and we don't know what it's going to do to you. So it's best you go see a doctor. Then I went to school and told them what happened. And I told them that I ended up doing drugs. Then they checked me. Luckily, I didn't have I didn't have any big side effects. They said I just had to drink a lot of water and
just to keep your system and stuff. Damn, bro. These guys, you got stories for days.
I got stories for days, man. I've been living.
Yeah, for me, I have not, guys.
This guy never did drugs.
Guys, I never even did weed. I never even did
smoked anything.
What you call a cigarette.
Right. That's
like
nice.
I'm afraid of being hooked up into things that one day is gonna control me.
Yeah,
that's my fear.
They do control.
That's my fear. Even your alcohol, I don't even drink that much. I only drink these light things. Guys, they even say it's lady stuff. That's what I drink. Not even your Savannah or what.
Ciders, light Savannah.
I drink your Benini Classic, your Brutal. Only.
No, the light stuff.
Bruh, like when I wake up in the morning, I can even drink your tea or whatever. I don't have like a hangover
and stuff. Oh, that's nice.
So I'm afraid like that.
Drugs are not good, guys. Those guys, man, those junkies, they were out of shape. You know, like the person who's they were out of shape. They were just dying by the second, but they were still alive. They looked like they had no life within their bodies.
Yo guys, that was never ever. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. If you need more of these, I'm gonna bring him back. If you like, if you like, please comment in the comment section. There's a whole lot we can do with him, and he's very open.
I like you.
Yo, guys.
I like the space.
Please, guys, comment on the comment section if you did like this never ever with this guy. We out, man. Subscribe guys.